Hello! In today's video, I am going to teach you 5 ideas for making thread bracelets. To make them, we will need some type of thread, or you can also use wool or macrame. I am going to use waxed thread. For the first idea, we are going to choose the colors that we will use for the bracelet, and we will cut 130 centimeters of each of the threads. We gather the 4 threads that we cut, fold them in half, and make a knot. Now we are going to stick the bracelet with adhesive tape to a table or desk, or wherever you are comfortable. To make the bracelet, we divide the threads in half. Let's start with the threads on the left. We are going to make a 4 like this, and pass the thread under thread number 2. We repeat the same step again, and now we continue with thread number 3, which in my case would be light blue. We make 2 knots again, and now we continue with thread number 3, which in my case would be the light blue one. We make 2 knots again, as we did with the previous one, and we continue with the rest of the threads on the left. Now we are going to work with the threads on the right, and we will do the same as before. Only this time, instead of making a 4, we will make a letter P, and we continue doing the same with the rest of the threads. Once the bracelet is the length you want, we tie a knot. And now we can wear it. For the second idea, we are going to choose the colors that we will use for the bracelet, and we will cut 60 centimeters of each thread. We gather the threads we cut, fold them in half, and make a knot. We carefully divide the threads evenly in half, and then swap a thread from the left with one from the right, and precisely. And so we continue crossing the threads until the bracelet reaches the length you want. Once the bracelet is the length you want, we make a knot. And we can wear it. Choose the colors for the bracelet. The more threads you use, the wider the bracelet will be. We cut 160 centimeters of each thread. We are going to make a 4 like this, and we pass the thread under thread number 2. And make another knot on the same thread, just like we did in the first idea. We continue with the third thread, which in my case would be the orange one. And so we continue with the rest of the threads, making sure each one is properly aligned and secure. Once the bracelet is the length you want, we make a knot. 30 centimeters of each of the threads. We separate the threads in pairs. Choose which color you want to start the bracelet with. I chose yellow. And we form a 4 and pass it under the rest of the threads. And when you have formed a bit of the bracelet, you can switch to the next color of thread, and you can keep changing colors as many times as you want. For the bracelet and cut 80 centimeters of each thread. Now we will need some cardboard and we will draw a large circle. We carefully cut it out. Draw 4 straight lines across the cardboard and then push a pencil through the exact center of the cardboard this way. Finally, we make a small cut on each of the lines we drew. We pass the threads through the hole we made in the cardboard and separate the threads into each of the lines, eos, leaving one of them empty. We are going to start weaving the bracelet. We are going to move the third thread that is from the empty line. And when the bracelet is the length you want, you can remove it from the cardboard. And that has been all. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I would really appreciate it if you share the video with all your friends. And down below in the info box, I leave you my Facebook, Twitter, and my Instagram where you can follow me and send me some photos related to my videos. Bye!